The European Union has recently approved a massive public-private project to boost its microelectronics and communication technologies. The project involves 56 companies, including Airbus, ASML and Ericsson, and covers the entire value chain, from materials and tools to chip design and manufacturing processes. In this video, we will take a closer look at what this project entails and why it matters for Europe's digital sovereignty and competitiveness. The project is part of the important Project of Common European Interest (IPCEI) scheme, which allows member states to pool resources and cooperate across borders on strategic technologies. The 14 participating countries will provide up to €8.1 billion in public support, which is expected to unlock another €13.7 billion in private investments. This will bring the total investments in the project to over €21 billion. The project aims to address several challenges and opportunities in the microelectronics and communication sectors, such as developing more energy-efficient and secure chips for applications such as artificial intelligence, quantum computing, automotive, aerospace, health and smart devices. Enhancing Europe's capabilities in advanced chip manufacturing, especially in the 5-nanometer node and below, where global competition is fierce and supply chains are vulnerable. Strengthening Europe's position in key communication technologies such as 5G and 6G, optical fiber, satellite and quantum communication. Fostering innovation and collaboration among European companies of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, as well as research institutes and universities. Creating thousands of highly skilled jobs and boosting Europe's economic growth and resilience. The project is expected to deliver its first products by 2025 and will run until it will also be complemented by the European Chips Act, which will support research, development and innovation further, as well as design capacities and pilot lines. The project is a major step towards achieving Europe's digital sovereignty and strategic autonomy in critical technologies. It will also help Europe compete with global rivals such as the US and China, who are investing heavily in their own chip industries. By working together, European countries hope to create a strong and sustainable ecosystem for microelectronics and communication technologies that will benefit all citizens and businesses. The EU is investing billions of euros in microelectronics and communication technologies to boost its competitiveness and innovation in these strategic sectors. The EU has approved a public-private project involving 14 member states and 56 companies to develop cutting-edge applications in microelectronics and communication technologies. These applications cover the whole value chain from materials and tools to chip designs and manufacturing processes. The projects target various sectors, such as 5G and 6G telecoms technology, autonomous driving, artificial intelligence and quantum computing. These are some of the key technologies that will shape the future of digital transformation, Industry 4.0, green transition and social inclusion. The projects aim to create new products and services that will benefit consumers, businesses and society at large. Some of the examples of the projects are developing new radio frequency chips for 5G and 6G networks that will enable faster data transmission, lower energy consumption and better connectivity. Creating new sensors and processors for autonomous vehicles that will improve safety, efficiency, and mobility. Building new artificial intelligence platforms that will enhance data analysis, decision-making and human-machine interaction. Advancing quantum computing technologies that will enable new applications in cryptography, simulation and optimization. The EU expects that these projects will generate up to 8,700 highly skilled jobs and bring over €21 billion of total investments. The EU also hopes that these projects will foster collaboration and knowledge sharing among the member states and the companies involved. The EU also plans to launch the European Chips Act, which will support further research, development and innovation in microelectronics and communication technologies. The European Chips Act will also help bridge the gap from research to production by developing design capacities and pilot lines. The EU's initiative is part of its broader strategy to expand its semiconductor production capacity and reduce its dependence on foreign suppliers. The EU currently produces only about 10% of the global chip supply, while it consumes about 20%. The EU faces fierce competition from the US and China, which are also investing heavily in chipmaking and communication technologies. The EU hopes that by strengthening its own capabilities, it will be able to secure its digital sovereignty and strategic autonomy.